Hello friends, today I will show you a science magic trick using density. So first we will put some water. And then we will put some oil. Look friends, the oil is floating on the water because the density of oil is less than water. Now let me try to mix it. Oh no friends, it is still floating. Now let me put some food color in it. Yeah. Oh, ow! It hurt me. Oh. Pick him. So friends, as you can see, the food color is synced in the water because the food color's density is same as water. Now let me try to mix it. Look friends, the water has become now blue and still the oil is floating. So that's it. The density of oil is less than water. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to this. Didi.